spaghetti. Look at this. He's chewing on spaghetti. There you go. Look at yes.
My back is hurting. Frank doesn't want my food.
There you go. Look how cute this is. He's so small he can even stand on a piece of spaghetti as a perch.
Mm-hmm. I don't know what he's using it.
He just wants to chew on it.
Mm-hmm.
If it were cooked, he'd probably love to eat it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll see
Cook
if I
some
can.
at home.
Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. No, you can't get in the bowl. I gotta feed. Make soup.
You are so cute. I love you, baby.
Does it talk? The camera?
No, the camera doesn't talk, Joanne.
No, I mean, don't.
Good bird.